on, y'all? What's poppin'? Que la que hay, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I just wanted to go ahead and just play a little bit with a new palette that I actually purchased at Ulta. It is the Wet n Wild Pac-Man limited edition collab, and I wanted to go ahead and show you guys, but I've been having such a hard time opening up the freaking palette. It's ridiculous. Alright, so this is what the actual palette looks like. These are all the beautiful colors in it, and then the front of it looks like this. And I'm just gonna go ahead and play around with the colors in this palette. So if you definitely enjoy this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more dope shit coming your way. Don't forget to like this video if you like this video, and comment and share below. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the video. Now, just to let you guys know, this is actually just gonna be like a little talk through. I'm not even just gonna talk at all, to be quite honest. It's just gonna be music in the background, just because we're gonna take it easy. It's just gonna be a short, simple, to the point type of video. guys, so that actually concludes this look. I hope you guys definitely enjoyed, and thank you so much for tuning in, and see you in the next video. Bye.